Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be unboxing my new pair of Demonias. I have bought them super cheap from Attitude Holland or like Attitude Europe, and I got them today. The shipping was super fast. I got it in like 3 or 4 days. There was like a weekend, but I don't count the weekend. But yeah, I have got it like in 4 or 3 days, I'm not really sure. But it was really fast and I can't wait to see them. I didn't actually really plan to buy them, but since they were so cheap, so let's open it. It's a big black red box. It's a little bit smashed on the lid, but never mind. I bet they had these boots in stock like for forever, and that's because they sold them so cheaply, because they wanted to basically get rid of them. And I believe I didn't tell you yet, it's the model Kera 21. So yeah, let's open it. The smell is kind of overwhelming, but yeah, they are in a box like this, both packed separately. So where do I start first? It has a zipper to put on, like in here. It's stuffed with paper, yeah. I don't know how high the platform is, but I will check and I will put it somewhere here on the screen. The laces at front are like pure for decoration. The sole is made from foamy material and the bottom looks like this. It isn't as grippy as the Shaker 55 I have, but it's fine. I had soles like these and it's perfectly okay. It is made from vegan leather, and it's, I don't know, a little bit of glue is poking here. I'm not really worried about it, but I don't know, it just like punched into my eye, but I guess it's okay. I have taken the shoes in size 37 as I usually do, because I have heard that they fit true to size, and also the Demonias are kind of wide at front, so it should be fine because I have kind of small feet. So let's unpack the other shoe. So the both shoes are out, and now I guess I'm gonna try them and then continue with my review about like comfort and stuff like that. So the shoes are super comfortable. They are as comfortable as my Shaker 55s. I mean, it's really easy to walk in them. They have that grip, and yeah, they're just really comfy. About sizing, they fit really good. I even have like thick winter socks in them, and I still have some room left. However, I feel they are a little bit tighter than the Shaker 55s, also around my ankle and also at front, but it's okay for me because I have like small feet. I don't think you need to worry even if you have a wider feet, because yeah. So now I will cut to the clip of me wearing them, so you can get the idea how they look on human feet. So to wrap this up, for this price, I mean, it was amazing deal. I love the shoes, they are really comfortable, and also I must praise attitude on shipping because it was really fast. So yeah, if you have any questions about the shoe, leave it down below in the comments. I will try and answer you. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos related to alternative makeup and clothing. And hopefully I will see you in my next video soon. I'm now trying to upload like every Friday, so I hope I can keep up with it. So yeah, hopefully I will see you in my next video on the next Friday. Bye bye!